Here you go, fellas. Here it goes. Let's see what we got in here. Whoa. Whoa. I know this ain't what I think it is, right? Ooh. Carolina, y'all was so close, man. So fucking close. We got one though. We want another one. We're the latest ones in the NFC South with a ring. It's nothing y'all can say about this shit. Let me get into some light with all the crystal gleaming and shit. You see that? You even see the goddamn shit legit. Look at that. Look at that. Shit set in stone. We want another one this year, Who Dat Nation. Let's go get it. It's your boy CB. The work starts now, fellas. Defense, that's where it's at. It starts now. It's your boy CB, I'm out.